guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm exhausted. You probably can't tell. I worked out today. We didn't do too much. I think I only did like 330 calories. I didn't vlog it this time. I vlogged yesterday, so if you want to see how tired I was yesterday, that was in yesterday's vlog. And then I also uploaded a plan with me yesterday. I still don't think it has a default photo. I'm exhausted. It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, yeah. So I got home and then sat on the couch some more, and then sat on the couch again. But I have orders I want to get out, and I'm really tired because yesterday I didn't like stop moving, and I'm just like still ready for bed. But like I said, I want to get orders out as fast as possible. So I'm going to work on a couple, and I'm still well within my processing time, but I hate, you know, taking so long. But they shouldn't be too bad. So I know I can get out at least 2 or 3, because I have to essentially cut everything and print stuff that is old, and I don't have any printed. So yeah, let's get some printing going. Yeah? Oh yeah? Mickeys! You know you're not allowed up here. Deemies! Wait, what is going on? What did you guys do? Why are you up here? Why are you up here? Why are you both up here? Mom's office is a mess. Mom's office is a mess. Mom's office is a mess. You guys just being fat? But I'm not Alright, so things are printing, and I'm doubling to do foil. So this is the Earth kit, which this was super popular when I released it. Obviously it has died down because it's an older kit, and this was more like a fall-ish kit. So I'm printing the missing pieces for this. I just did the boho feathers. I'm making a mess, and I gotta foil this stuff. I'm filling in some Christmas Vacation. So like when I bulk print, and that's why I always try to get a good understanding of like what people want when I do the new releases, and that's why I always ask those questions of like, oh, what kit are you purchasing? Like, I'm not offended if you're not purchasing, don't worry about it. But it's so when I have to do this stuff, I can usually keep stock, but since it was Black Friday, obviously I didn't keep a ton of stock. I didn't go back in. I'm like, oh, I'm going to stock this kit, or I'm gonna stock this kit. The only ones I did stock were the Christmas kits, and then the Ever After kit. And I still have a couple of these left. I don't have that many. I have about 4, and one of them's gonna go in order, so I have 3 left that are like ready to go. And then I have a lot more Who actually left over, because I had a ton. Like I had like, I think 60 mini kits, and then 40 people say they were gonna buy full kits. So that's like 100 kits people said they were gonna buy for that specific one, and I think I sold 10. So it can be aggravating when people, I think, just wanna know the poll results. And I totally get that maybe, let's say 20% were like, oh, I actually think I'm gonna buy, but and then don't because there's someone else's Black Friday that was better. Totally understandable. So that's why I kind of take it as a rounded. But the fact that like I don't want to sound ungrateful, because I'm very grateful for the people who purchase from me, but I wish people who didn't purchase, who knew they weren't going to purchase, didn't vote. So with being so small and not having that big footprint, I kind of knew that that was an inflated statistic, so I did not prep that many. However, the huge inflated statistic for that Grinch kit was actually more than I expected. I did not expect it to not do as well, but I know it was late, so it was kind of like a balancing act on if people would trust me to get it out on time or not. So, and like I said, I am still shipping one Christmas Vacation because it came in later, but I think 4 days earlier than my processing time, so I'm getting it out, so it'll be out plenty of time before Christmas. It'll arrive probably by Saturday, so it's still the first week of December, so they could even back plan this week. So yeah, that's kind of where my head's at. I got to foil these, cut them, piece them together, do some orders, and then I think that's gonna be about 4 orders between these, and then I've half prepped another order, so we'll see how far I get, because I'm stopping at 9 because I am really tired. But again, I want to get these out, so we'll see when I actually stop. We'll see. All right, so I hope you guys kind of enjoyed my left hand. So I was doing it with my non-dominant hand, and I did leave out the best part, which is like the smoky technique. And I'm pulling a YouTuber thing saying, if you want to see how I do it, click up there. Although they said it's on this side, if it's not flipped, I don't know. Maybe click over here. I love this technique, and it's from Selena Ryden, and it's my fave. So if you want to see how to do it again, click up there, because I have a whole tutorial on this whole set. It's for Winter Planner Land, and I'm so excited. And it kind of went viral on Reddit, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, not like hundreds of thousands. I think I got like 1,000 upvotes, or just about 1,000, and I was like, yes. Like, just the little things in life, like, it just looks bomb. I didn't put any cuticle oil on, so it may not look that bomb right now, but and my cuticles are like purple because my purple shampoo still. So yeah, I'm gonna end this here. I think this was actually a pretty decent vlog. Not gonna lie, yesterday sucked. So I'm gonna end it on a high note with some sticker prep Those are people's orders. Sticker work, some nails, and I'm gonna do some laundry and crawl into bed. It is 9:30, so yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow because I'm vlogging every day. Is it every day, bro? If you know where that's from, leave it down below, and I'm 12, you're welcome. So I'll see you later.